Hi, I'm Wise Dietitian Melissa, and today I'm going to show you how to pick the perfect avocado. So we have all of them here, our avocados from Colombia, and I like to go through and just give them kind of a firm squeeze. And if they give slightly, then you know it's ready to go, ready to eat. And when I'm picking avocados, I like to kind of get them at different stages of ripeness. So this one, when I press my thumb into it, it gives a little bit, so I know that this one's ready to eat. But then I also would grab one that is a little bit firmer, really doesn't give when I push into it, and then that will be ready in a few days, and then I have avocado for as long as I need. Okay, let me show you how I cut into an avocado. There's a couple ways you can do it, but if you're comfortable with a knife, you can just hold it in our hand. If you're not, you can set it on your cutting board and turn the avocado. Also depends how ripe the avocado is. If you're having to push more than just a little bit with your knife, don't put it in your hand. Spin it and open it. It looks beautiful. Now, if you're only planning to eat half the avocado, I like to save the side with the pit. I like to cover it in some foil, wrap it up, put it in my fridge. And then sometimes, the outside here will still get a little bit brown. You can just slice that off if you don't like it, and then that way there's less surface area. Now, to get the pit out, I know some people like to put the knife in it, twist it, and you definitely can do that, but it's a little riskier. So a really easy way I found is just to put 2 fingers on either side of it, put your thumb on the back, and you can just pop it right out. If your avocado, this one's just a little bit underripe, but if it's perfectly ripe, it'll come out nice and clean. So you can peel the skin like this. Especially if you want some slices of avocado, just peel off the skin, and then you can do your nice thin or thicker slices. You can do that way. And let's cut into this one here. So again, push in until you feel the pit. Spin it all the way around. Put a twist. Open it. Let's see if this pit comes out a little nicer. Pops right out. So that's perfect. So then you can take, if you want cubes, for example, you can cut just right in here, your little checkerboard pattern. And then I like to take a spoon and scoop it out. And then depending what you're making, or if your pit doesn't come out the cleanest like this one, say you're making guacamole, you can just take your avocado, squeeze it right over the bowl, and then it's already kind of pre-mashed up for you. So those are some of the most frequent ways that I find myself cutting into an avocado. Avocados are wonderful for your healthy fats, of course. They have a good amount of fiber and of course some potassium. So really a great addition to most things you're probably already making.